Good morning. So, now that we're slowly getting back to, I guess, the new normal, what did you learn from this experience? From being home, from being quarantined, and, for those of us that were, I know some of us were out there working because we were essential, and for that, I think we're all grateful and we're appreciative of everything you've done. But for those of us that weren't essential workers and were out of work or had to work from home, this was a great opportunity to really reevaluate our lives and think about our relationships, our careers, our future, just everything about everything that impacts us on a daily basis. And I'd love to know what you learned from this experience. Now that you're going back out there and you're starting to slowly re-engage with the world, what's different about you, or what are you going to be doing differently? Are you going to be more empathetic, more compassionate, more understanding, kinder? Are you going to just go back into the rat race and, jump back on the wheel and let things continue to be the way they were? Or are you going to make some positive transformational changes that will hopefully have a positive impact not just on you, but those around you? I mean, now is the time to do it. So as you go back out there and you kind of are reawakened to this new reality, I really hope that you learn something from this experience, and I hope that you follow your passion, and I hope that you just learn to be a better human being, and also learn to better communicate with the people around you, whether it's your friends, your family, your coworkers, to just create a better environment for you and for those that you interact with. So I'd love to hear your comments, and if you need help learning how to navigate this new world, please let me know. I've worked with so many kids over the last 3 or 4 months on how to deal with this transition, and seniors who have to go to college and have to deal with a different experience as a result of this, or kids that are graduating high school and couldn't have the same fun and the same graduation experience that most seniors get the opportunity to do. And it's really been eye-opening for me, for them. I've learned a lot about how teens feel, especially during this time, and I just hope everybody goes out there and we make this a better, kinder, nicer world. Have a great day.